Hello friends and welcome once again. This is C. Rajiv Khatlawala, author of How to Profit from Technical Analysis. And today is 29th of January 2021, right now around 9:30 a.m. And after yesterday's fall in the markets, most of my Sunday targets were achieved. And I'm sure those of you who have attended my Sunday sessions last Sunday would have got your good profits in most of the stocks and also Nifty and Bank Nifty, because even in Nifty and Bank Nifty, both of my down targets were reached. Now, today the markets have opened in an up gap, but they are not able to sustain. So let us see for the Nifty, the trend deciding level for today is 13,933. Right now we are below that level and we are very much nearer to my first calculated level of 13,865. So we are very much near that level, and below that you have 13,804 as your second support level, where you can book profit in case you are in short sell. Please note, friends, that any fall and close below 13,750 will be negative for the Nifty in the coming days. On the upside, there is initial resistance at 13,985, 84, 85 levels, and thereafter nearer to 14,050 levels. Please note, friends, that any upward movement in the Nifty and Bank Nifty should be treated as corrective, and you can book your profits in an upward movement. Let us see Bank Nifty. In case of Bank Nifty, the trend deciding level is 30,665. Right now we are just below that level, and on the lower side we will initially target 30,475 and thereafter 30,304. These are the technical targets, calculated targets for the downside. Please note here that any close or fall below 30,200 will be further negative. That can initiate a lot of profit booking. And on the upside, initial resistance is at 30,842 and thereafter at 31,000. 31,000 to 31,150 is a strong resistance area as per my calculation based on last couple of days of data plus today's opening. Let us talk about Reliance. Yesterday, Reliance fell and achieved my lower targets also. Today there was an up gap, but the trend deciding level for Reliance is 1901. Right now we are below that level, so we'll again target yesterday's low, which is at around 1871. Upward movement will have resistance at 1920 and thereafter at 1940. Please note, friends, that any further close below or nearer to yesterday's closing, that is around 1870, will be treated further negative for Reliance, and it can lead to a further sell-off. HDFC, that is Housing Development Finance Corporation. HDFC, in fact, in my Sunday session, I had indicated short selling this stock on Monday at 2580 for a target of 2400. Yesterday, as you can observe, yesterday the target was achieved, a clean 180 points downward movement, downward target was achieved. After that, today this stock has opened up gap. So 2441 is your first, the trend deciding level, and on the upside 2478 and 2512 are the upper two targets. On the lower side, 2405 remains a strong support. Here also, like in case of Reliance, if this is broken and there is closing below 2400, then there will be further sell-off in this stock also. Let us see what is in store for Tata Motors. Now, in case of Tata Motors, upward move, there is an up gap, but the trend deciding level today is 275. Expect a selling pressure because upward movements in this stock are corrective in nature. On the lower side, 268 and 262 are your two targets on the downside for intraday. And on the upper side, intraday resistance is strong between 280 and 282. So this is a strong resistance area. So in case you are in buying position, you may want to book your profits at that level. So friends, thank you very much for a patient listening, and I'm sure that you are getting good advantage of the various technical levels which I give, and you have been watching this for a long time now, I think since October, and you are seeing the efficiency of this. Thank you very much. This is CA Rajiv Khatlawala signing off. See you on Monday. Thank you very much.